Imagine a world where silver, not just a precious metal, but a symbol of enduring value, defies all odds and predictions. Picture this: silver skyrocketing to an astounding $567 before the clock strikes midnight on New Year's Eve. Sounds like a financial fairy tale, doesn't it? But what if I told you that this isn't just a wild speculation, but a possibility grounded in emerging market trends and expert analyses? Today, we're diving deep into this unprecedented phenomenon. And while we unravel this mystery, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insightful updates. Stay tuned as we explore how silver, a metal often overshadowed by gold, is poised to make a historic leap that could redefine the precious metals market. Let's embark on this journey together to understand the silver surge and how it might just become the financial story of the year. In our quest to decode the potential surge in silver prices, we first turn our gaze to the current market dynamics. Picture this: it's the holiday season, traditionally a time when markets slow down, yet silver prices are showing an unexpected resilience. As of now, silver is trading at an impressive $24.35. You might wonder, what's fueling this rise? Well, let me break it down for you. We're witnessing a unique interplay of factors: lower U.S. Treasury yields, a weakening dollar, and not to forget, the simmering geopolitical tensions. These elements are combining to create a perfect storm, bolstering silver as a sought-after safe haven asset. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Analysts are not just optimistic about the short term. They're seeing a brighter, shinier future for silver. Think about this. Predictions suggest a jump to $30 by 2024, with some even hinting at a potential climb towards $50 in the following years. This isn't mere speculation. These forecasts are backed by heavyweights like Commerzbank and JP Morgan, who believe that silver will outshine not just its fellow precious metals, but also base metals like copper and nickel. So, as we sail through these financial tides, I want you to ponder over this. What do these trends and predictions mean for the future of silver? Will it merely meet these expectations, or will it leap beyond, perhaps even touching that staggering $567 mark? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's get a dialogue going about this fascinating market phenomenon. As we delve deeper into the silver saga, it's crucial to understand the technical aspects driving this potential surge. You see, silver isn't just shining. It's positioned strategically on the financial chessboard. Currently, silver hovers above both its 200-day and 50-day moving averages, a clear bullish signal to those who speak the language of the markets. This isn't just a random spike, it's a sustained upward trend, indicating a strong market sentiment. But here's the clincher. Silver's journey isn't without challenges. It faces a minor resistance level at $24.50. Overcoming this hurdle could propel it further, aiming for the major resistance at $25.91. On the flip side, any pullback should find robust support at lower levels. This tug-of-war between resistance and support levels is more than just numbers. It's a narrative of market confidence, a story of resilience and potential. In this intricate dance of numbers and trends, it's important to remember that the financial market is a living, breathing entity, influenced by a multitude of factors. As we continue to track silver's trajectory, remember that each step, each fluctuation, is part of a larger financial tale, one that could lead to that astonishing $567 mark. Stay with us as we uncover more layers of this unfolding story. Moving forward in our journey to understand silver's potential ascent, let's zoom out and consider the broader economic and geopolitical landscape. It's no secret that the world economy is a complex web, where a single thread can sway markets. In the case of silver, several such threads are at play. Firstly, the Federal Reserve's policies are a significant driver. Rumors are swirling about potential interest rate cuts as early as March 2023. This move could be a game changer, injecting a dose of optimism into the precious metals market, especially for silver. It's like a domino effect. One policy decision could trigger a chain reaction, impacting investor confidence and market trends. Then there's the geopolitical arena, tensions, conflicts, and uncertainties that send ripples across global markets. Recent U.S. military actions in response to attacks in Iraq are a case in point. Such events often drive investors towards safe haven assets, and silver has historically been a trusted refuge in turbulent times. So, as we piece together these fragments of information, a picture begins to emerge. It's a picture of potential of a silver price that's not just climbing, but possibly soaring to new heights. But remember, the journey to $567 is laden with ifs and buts, twists and turns. It's a path paved with uncertainty, yet brimming with promise. And while we navigate this path, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us as we continue to unravel the story of silver's unprecedented potential. Let's now shift our focus to a critical aspect of this narrative, the comparison of silver with other investment options. In the grand tapestry of the financial markets, silver isn't just competing with other precious metals. It's vying for attention amidst a myriad of investment choices. This is where the story gets even more intriguing. Consider this. Traditionally, gold has been the go-to precious metal for investors seeking stability and value. However, the current market dynamics suggest a change in this long-standing trend. Analysts are increasingly bullish on silver, projecting that it could outperform gold in the coming years. This shift is significant, as it represents a change in investor sentiment and market behavior. But why is silver gaining this momentum? It's a combination of factors. The industrial demand for silver, particularly in areas like solar energy and electronics, is on the rise. This growing industrial appetite complements its status as a safe haven asset, making it doubly attractive to investors. Moreover, silver's smaller market size compared to gold means that it has a higher potential for volatility, a feature that could be advantageous for those seeking rapid gains. And let's not forget the role of base metals in this equation. Silver's performance is also being closely watched against the backdrop of base metals like copper and nickel. These metals, often indicators of economic health, are currently facing their own set of challenges. In contrast, silver is shining through, buoyed by a unique combination of industrial demand and investment appeal. But here is where the plot thickens. Despite these favorable conditions, there are skeptics who question silver's ability to reach the dizzying heights of $567. They point to past performances, market cycles, and the inherent unpredictability of commodity markets. These voices of caution remind us that the financial world is one of calculated risks and educated guesses. This brings us to a pivotal moment in our story. As we stand at this crossroads, watching silver embark on what could be its most extraordinary journey yet, we are reminded of the unpredictable nature of markets. The path to $567 is not just a financial trajectory. It's a narrative filled with anticipation, speculation, and the perpetual dance of supply and demand. As we continue to monitor this fascinating development, it's crucial to stay informed and agile. Remember, in the world of investments, fortunes can turn on a dime, and today's underdog could be tomorrow's champion. So, keep an eye on the silver market, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates and analyses. In our next and final section, we'll be reaching the apex of our story, where we'll try to piece together all these elements to understand how, against all odds, silver could potentially hit that staggering $567 mark. It's a conclusion you won't want to miss, so stay tuned. As we reach the apex of our journey, it's time to piece together the intricate puzzle of silver's potential ascent to $567. This isn't just a story of numbers and market trends. It's a narrative about the confluence of economic forces, investor psychology, and global events, all aligning to create a scenario where the seemingly impossible becomes possible. First, let's revisit the technical signals. Silver, currently trading above its key moving averages, is showing a bullish trend. This technical strength is a crucial foundation for any significant price movement. The resistance levels we discussed earlier aren't just barriers, they're milestones on silver's path to greater heights. Now, add to this the macroeconomic factors. The anticipated dovish stance of the Federal Reserve, coupled with the geopolitical tensions, is creating an environment where safe haven assets like silver become increasingly attractive. Remember, in times of uncertainty, investors flock to stability, and silver has historically been a bastion of security. But there's more. The industrial demand for silver, especially in burgeoning sectors like renewable energy adds a layer of fundamental strength to its price. As the world leans more towards sustainable solutions, silver's role in these technologies cannot be understated. However, the leap to $567 is not without its skeptics. Critics argue that such a surge would require an unprecedented confluence of favorable conditions. They're not wrong. For silver to reach this pinnacle, it would need a perfect storm of economic, geopolitical, and market factors, along with investor sentiment swinging heavily in its favor. Yet, in the world of finance, impossible has been proven wrong time and again. Market history is replete with examples of assets defying expectations, breaking barriers, and rewriting the rules. Silver's potential journey to $567, while steeped in optimism, is not beyond the realms of possibility. As we conclude this exploration, it's essential to remember that while we've delved deep into the possibilities, this is not financial or investment advice. The markets are ever-changing, and what seems likely today may shift tomorrow. So, stay informed, stay engaged, and most importantly, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more insightful content. In the end, whether silver reaches $567 or not, the journey itself is a testament to the dynamic and fascinating world of financial markets. It's a world where predictions are made, expectations are set, and sometimes the unthinkable becomes reality.